All right, welcome one and all. The announcement that a lot of you have been waiting a long time for. Enrollment for the Laws of Magick 2.0 series is here. Every single cycle of the Laws of Magick series, I was asked, is this a brand new series when it wasn't? Well, now it is. The Laws of Magick 2.0 is brand new. The Laws of Magick 2.0 is the direct sequel and continuation of the previous Laws of Magick series. We ended the previous series with Lesson 50 and an epilogue, and in 2.0 we have a brief introduction and we go right into Lesson 51. There were some things that I wish I had included in the previous Laws of Magick series, but there wasn't enough content at the time to make another series. But over the years I would be reminded or come across things that should have been included in the course. And these have added up. There are also some things in the previous series that I briefly touched upon, but were essentially laws in themselves, and I felt I needed to expand upon them. As such, it's not necessary that you take the first Laws of Magick series before taking Laws of Magick 2.0. However, it is recommended. You can take the lessons out of order if you wish. In fact, it's quite possible now for someone to take both courses at the same time. Just know that this new series, the Laws of Magick 2.0, is going to expand upon and go deeper. It is the more advanced course. We're going to be going over some of the Hermetic principles that I don't talk about as often, and even go over some laws that govern working with spirits, spirit evocation and conjuration. Things people have been wanting me to cover for a while. We're really going to be getting into it. Now, those familiar with the previous Laws of Magick series already know the drill. The Laws of Magick 2.0 is a subscription series like its predecessor. Each week for 52 weeks, 1 year, you'll receive a lesson delivered to your email detailing one of the laws of magic, those unwritten rules that you need to adhere to have a successful magical practice. Lessons will also be placed within your Gumroad library. Laws of Magick 2.0 pricing is going to be exactly the same as the previous course, $9.99 per month, which is less than $2.50 a lesson. However, you could save even more by electing to pay quarterly, bi-yearly, or for the entire year up front, where you could save an additional 5, 10, or 17%. One of the things I've always prided myself on is making my programs and courses affordable for everyone. I actually cringe at some of the prices other occultists and magical practitioners charge for their courses, of which I have taken many. And of course, I'm not going to name names, but I really do undercut a lot of people in this profession. Because I want you to get the most for your money. It's all about providing value. Now, the course will launch on March 5th, 2 weeks from today. However, you can sign up now. Enrollment is now open. And for those who do sign up now, the 2-week wait before launch will be made up, where there'll be 2 weeks in the series where you get 2 lessons instead of 1. And that way nobody's missing anything at all. And I think that about covers it. So, the Laws of Magick 2.0. It's been a long time coming, but it is finally here and ready for enrollment. Link will be in the video and in the description, and I'll see you soon. Take care.